All right, folks, this is our final word problem of the day. This is number 27 in the review section of chapter 5. I'll read it to you. Um, it's right here in case you're looking. A piggy bank contains 50 coins, all of them nickels, dimes, and quarters. The total value of the coins is $5.60, and the value of the dimes is 5 times the value of the nickels. How many coins of each type are there? So to solve this problem, we are going to establish three variables. We'll let x equal the number of dimes. We're going to let y equal the number of nickels, and we will let z equal the number of quarters. So I hope you've seen a pattern in this fourth iteration of word problems is that we try to define the variables first. And so the equations we're looking for would be x plus y plus z is equal to 50. They tell me that let's go back to it. They tell me that there's a piggy bank contains 50 coins, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So what that means is that x plus y plus z equals 50. So let's see. I went ahead and let x equal a dime. So if I take 10 times x plus 5 times y plus 25 times z, I'm multiplying the amount of coins by its cent value. So that means that 10x plus 5y plus 25z would be 560 cents. They tell me that the coins are worth $5.60. And then look at this fourth one. Let's read it again. The value of dimes is 5 times the value of nickels. Oh boy. The value of dimes. So let me write it down. So what I wrote down is I wrote down 10x is the same as 5 times 5y. So let's read that again. So 10x is the value of the dimes. That is equal to 5 times the value of the nickels. So I'll read it again. 10 times x is the value of the dimes, which is equal to 5 times the value of the nickels. And so with this equation, I have equations 1, 2, and 3. And then so if I divide by 10, I'll get x equals 25 over 10 times y, which is 2.5y. So you'll see a similar solution that we had with the agriculture problem. I will now take this 2.5y and replace each x with that. So we're going to do substitution. I'm going to rewrite equation 1 and replace x with 2.5y. Plus y plus z is the same as 50. And then let's see, it'll be 10 times 2.5y plus 5y plus 25z is equal to 560 cents. So here's my two variables and two unknowns, or two equations. I've got to clean this up though. 2.5 plus 1y is 3.5y. And then let's see, this will be 25 plus 5 is 30y. So let me do that again. This is 25y plus 5 is 30y plus 25z is the same as 560. Oh, you didn't see that. Shoot. Okay, so let me do that again. 10 times 2.5 is 25y plus 5y is 30y. And to solve this system, this one right here, I'm going to now multiply the first equation by negative 25. That will eliminate the z's. That produces negative 87.5 times y minus 25z is equal to negative 1250. And I'll put that right on top of the second equation so we can see that the z's will be eliminated. That's 560. Let's see. So the z's will go bye-bye, and I get negative 52y is the same as negative 690. So then y is equal to 12. So there's 12 nickels. All I got to do is realize that the number of dimes is 2.5 times y. So that means x is equal to 30. And the only thing left to find is z, which is going to be 8 because it adds up to 50. So here is the number of coins that we just found. we would say the number of dimes is 30, the number of nickels is 12, and the number of quarters is 8.